Hello everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I want to show you how we can create this text effect without using letter frames. And I'm gonna go to create a new design. You choose whatever you want. I'm gonna go for Facebook post. Sometimes we do want to use a different text font than you can find in letter frames. Letter frames, I find it's too restricted. Let's say, okay, first thing, add your text. And I'm gonna go with leave, resize it. Wait, let's change the text font and let's go for something different. Oh, how about this one? Okay. In the middle. Now go to elements and add square. Gonna change the color into black. Go to position, layers, and make sure the text is on top. And we're gonna change the text color into white. Okay. Now we're gonna download this image as a JPG. Bring it into Canva. I'm gonna add a new page. Okay, let's choose a background. I'll go for this one. Set image as background. Go to uploads and bring your photo, resize it. And go to edit photo and background remover. Okay, now we're gonna go back to elements, add the square. Gonna change the color into black, duplicate. Just make sure all your page is covered with this black background. Download. I'm gonna download the second page. And we're gonna bring it in Canva. I'm gonna add a new page. I'm gonna resize it. Edit photo and background remover. There you have it. Okay. Let's choose background so you can see it better. Crop. I want to make it more visible, so I'm gonna duplicate. I want to make a shadow. Duplicate, edit photo, do tone, custom. I'm gonna choose black. The one, let's make sure it's black. Okay, position and make sure it's behind the okay. I want to blur it, so the whole page, intensity, and go press edit photo. Okay, Okay, something like that. Not bad. So now if let's say you want a different background for every letter, we can go back to this image. Let's choose a different background. Let's go for this one. Set replace background, and we're gonna download this image. Bring it into Canva. Let's go here. Resize it. Basically, you have to follow the same steps. Background remover. We have to make sure it's the same size. Let's crop it. Let's make sure. Okay, let's say we're gonna use only these three. And there you have it. You can use any background, and let's play a little bit. It's absolutely your choice how you want to play with everything. That's it. So I see there's like a handwriting. I like handwriting style. There you go. This is okay. Make the adjustments you want. You can also add videos behind this as a background. Shall we do this quickly? Okay, that's fine. background videos. Let's choose this one. There you have it. So that's about it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope it was helpful, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye.